Hello everyone, this is Sivaramakrishnan from BBM Global School, Perungudi. I would like to talk about why music education is important. Music is extremely important subject for all children to learn and can lead to better brain development. It increases in human connection and even relieves stress. There are five main reasons why music education is important in school. First of all, music stimulates brain development for children. A study from the Northwestern University found better neural processing for students who learns or plays instrumental music when compared to students who just listens music. As students learning musical instruments also develop improvements in standardized measure of academic achievement, enhancing reading comprehension. For example, even in maths subject, a word problem requires excellent reading and comprehensive skills in order to answer them correctly. The second main reason why music is important, it is a way to connect with other people. As students, you are naturally very social, and it's important to develop self motivation by talking with each other and share experiences. Music helps you in developing and improvise your communication skills by means of choir singing, band performances, and other cultural activities where you engage amongst each others and discuss and etc. The third main reason why music is important is it integrates with many subjects. There is no subject in this world unrelated to music. As students, your writing skill or your scientific skill are being improved. For an example, learning talam, I mean time signatures, in music are an excellent way to incorporate fractions in maths. Writing and learning lyrics for the song improves your language skills. Study of vibrations or pitch or frequencies relates physics. Even the study of composers and other musical forms relates history. Thus, music is omnipresent. The fourth main reason I would like to share is music teaches discipline. Music also teach you to develop time management skills and discipline. Like you learn musical instruments outside the school, develop the ability of practice schedule. This leads you to balance the other activity, which leads to manage your time management in a right way. Students, when you start practicing these in your small age, it will definitely help you in balancing your higher class studies in future along with learning music. And last, music can relieve stress, which is a very important point to learn music. It is an excellent way to relieve your stress. As student, you will definitely feel that music can reduce your stress and improve your mood states. Even young students today can experience stress with the increasing amount of studies and homeworks, and thus listening and practicing music offer a way to escape these situations. So students, enjoy music, learn music, and practice music. I would like to conclude my speech with a small quote saying, "The power of music makes all the difference to me with motivation throughout the day." Thank you.